In the demo number 3 of the end-to-end modeling for the book sales, we're going to learn how to generate the time dimension data on the space, and eventually you automatically create a time view for that as well. Let's have a look at the system. To generate the time data, we'll navigate to the space and then tap time data and click the button to change. And then you can specify it from what year to what year you would like to generate the time data. And then here we select the granularity as date, and then as a result, every day would be represented as one record. And the system would automatically create a time dimension for us for the year, quarter, month, date, which is very common for the analyze. And at the same time, you also generate the translation table to allow us for the multilingual support for the quarter, for the month as well. At the moment we want to click save, and then you will, as a result, it will generate the time dimension views. Time, date, month, quarter, year dimension will be created.